As you can see that it is stuck at 99%. In this video I will show you how to fix MEMU a player stuck at 59 or 99%. Firstly open MEMU. Open its setting and then copy the setting as I have did. Set CPU cores to how you many have. And set RAM to half as you have. Set it to DirectX and enable GPU memory optimization. Then in display, customize the display to how many you have. Set the FPS to 60. Rest of setting is your own, you can set it as you want. Now run the instance. As you can see that the problem is solved, it is not stuck at 99. This was all, hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.